In this part we continue the work, and now I show you how to join two motifs together. This is the first motif. I finished it. It is my current motif and I didn't complete it. As you can see, I didn't finish my last side. And while making this side, I show you how to join two motifs together. I took their backs together. My current motif is closer to me. I will begin the joining from the corner. Instead of 5 chains, I did 2 chains. And now insert the hook into the chain space that is in the corner. Now insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. Make single crochet. Here how it looks. Chain of 2 and continue working on my current motif. Make single crochet. Then chain of 2. Work into the next chain space, insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet. Continue chain of 2. Work with next chain space, make single crochet. Continue chain of 2. Insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the chain space of the previous round. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the chain space. Chain of 2 and single crochet into the chain space of the previous round. Chain of 2 and let's make the next joining point. Make single crochet, chain of 2 and single crochet into the chain space of the previous round. Chain of 2. Now we have got 2 chain spaces. Make single crochet into the next chain space, then chain of 2. Make single crochet, chain of 2, and let's make the last joining point. Insert the hook into the middle chain stitch. This is the 3rd chain stitch of this chain space. Make single crochet like this. Let's complete this round. Chain of 2 and make slip stitch into the chain stitch in the beginning of this round. I have already cut off the yarn and my current motif is ready, and I have done the last side. And while making the last side, I showed you how to join them together in a large piece of work. And now I show you how to join the 4th motif to another 3. As you can see, my 3 motifs located in checkboard. This is my current motif. As you can see, I didn't finish it. I need to do 3 more sides. I will begin from this side and I will join to the top motif. Then I continue with this side and will connect with side motif. Then, and as you remember, as usually, all three motifs have the middle joining point. Let's join them together. For the swatch, I took their backs together. Instead of 5 chain space, I did 2 chains and begin from the corner chain space. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch and make single crochet. Chain of 2, make single crochet into the same chain space. Then I will continue chain of 2 and work with completed motif. Make single crochet into the next chain space. Chain of 2. Make single crochet into the next chain space of the current motif. Chain of 2. Let's make the next joining point. Make single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain of 2. And single crochet into the next chain space. Let's repeat again, chain of 2 and single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain of 2 and single crochet. As you can see, I have done the half of the side. Then you should continue working with these 2 chain spaces. Then I will join in the middle joining point. Continue. Then chain of 2. Insert the hook into the next chain space, make single crochet, chain of 2, make single crochet into the chain space, then chain of 2, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. Chain of 2, make single crochet into the chain space. Now chain of 2. Let's make the middle joining point. As you can see, this is the middle joining point. I have already connected the first and the second motif. I'm working with this chain stitch, and now I turn the work Here is my chain stitch. Insert the hook into this chain stitch, make single crochet, then chain of 2, make single crochet into the chain space, and let's stop and look at the first side. The first side is ready. I'm going to join in the same way as I showed you before. Continue working on my current motif. make chain of 2, I take their backs together, insert the hook into the chain space of the completed motif, make single crochet, then chain of 2 and make single crochet into the chain space, chain of 2 and single crochet and single crochet into the next chain space, then chain of 2 and single crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. As you can see, I have already made the second and the third side, and my current motif is ready. The work is ready. My lacy swatch is ready. This is the front side of the swatch, and let's look at the back side. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow us in social media. Today we have learned how to make lacy motif and join them together in large piece of work. Thanks for watching.